Hi everyone, my name is Andrea and this is our campsite. Our channel is Lovin' the Dream and this is our first video. We are at Bon Echo Provincial Park. Yay! It's about a 3-hour drive from Hamilton, which is where we live. And I'll just show you around our campsite. We got here last night, a day earlier than what we planned. We planned to be here till Monday. And this is our first time in the park. So I'll pan around our site so you can have a look. And that is our dog Scooby. Hi Scooby. Yeah, he's kind of busy. Hi baby, hi there, see, say hello. That is our pop-up tent. We bought that a year ago. We took it out. There's Dave. He's inside trying to fix the water. He installed a new tap for me in the sink, so he's just trying to figure out how to hook it up so we can have some water to do the dishes. This is a new pop-up shelter that we got. We just put up some lights, some Christmas lights for later on tonight. And we are at site 385, I believe. Yep, 385. It's an electrical site, and it's a little chilly. Last night it was really cold. It was only maybe 4 degrees overnight, so we are very glad to have electrical. To be honest, I won't camp without it anymore. My tenting days are done. And so what we're gonna do this afternoon is maybe take the boat out. We have a little boat that Dave geared up. A little homemade thing to put underneath it. This is what the board is that's gonna go in the boat. Dave made this out of some wood and some carpet, stapled it on, put it in the bottom of the boat. I think the weather's going to be pretty decent. Tomorrow's supposed to be about 25 and sunny and maybe some rain. I hope not, but we'll see how it goes. Either way, we got the shelter here for us in case it does rain. And surprisingly, the bugs aren't too bad for right now. I was a little worried about that because when we came in last night, we had to set up. And I was just a little worried about the mosquitoes. And honestly, no black flies. It's pretty good. Maybe just because it's a little too cold right now. So anyways, this is our site. Just wanted to give you a view of it. And we like it. So we'll probably continue videoing when we go out on the boat. Look at the trees that kind of look like they're about to fall in the water. That's pretty neat.
Hey, let's go right under.
No, let's not. And over on the rock, there are people actually climbing it. Dave seems to think he remembers there was a tour that you can actually do the rock climbing, which I'm really surprised because to me that looks pretty scary, but I don't know. I wouldn't do it myself, but that kind of looks, wow, that's very high. So yeah, look at the people and look how big the rock is. And their boats down there. You got to be pretty brave to do that. Good luck to them. Yeah. It's about 4 o'clock, I think, right? Around there? And I don't think we're gonna get any sun today. We had a little bit earlier on, but it's a little chilly out here too on the water. The temperature dropped a little bit as we were moving along. To be honest, for May long weekend, I would have thought there'd be more boats out here. This is beautiful. Really beautiful. We're pretty close and
Right up close.
there's our solar panel. And we have a generator as well. It's over here.
We travel light.
Oh yeah, we travel light. As you can see, we got a dog, paddles. Oh, now we're right beside the rock. Wow. Now that is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know how deep the water is around here, but I can hear the echo now. They call this pond echo for the echo, and I can kind of hear the echo now. Wow. That is so nice. No. And we can go pretty far because we have a little motor on our boat. Most people are kayaking, so I don't blame them for not going far because that means work, and really, who wants to do a lot of work? I guess some people do. Yeah, we work a lot during the week, so I don't know how much energy I want to use up when I'm on vacation, a mini vacation. Someone's on a sea-doo over there. Now that's pretty cool. Yeah, and apparently on one of these rocks there's, is it a poem? Some kind of inscription on, about a poet, Walt Whitman, is actually written on one of the rocks. Chiseled into it? Okay. This one looks pretty cool right here. I really like the look of that. I wonder how, not really sure how far Mazinaw Lake goes, but this is us having fun. Whee!
Home watching TV.
Happy May 2-4 weekend. Much better than sitting at home watching TV, yes. We do enough of that. Right, Scoobies? Right, Scooby? You like it out here too, don't you? Yeah. You like it too, don't you, Scoobies? Oh, yes. Scooby's standing on the GoPro case. That's okay.